Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you this 2019-21 SPX by Sea Ray. First thing I want to point out is the swim platform back here. Plenty of room to walk around and hang out. There is a boarding and exit ladder right there. Also, the seat is set up with a lean back. You can sit back here and watch the kids out there having fun playing around if you want. Heading into the boat. The hangout area on this boat is awesome. Plenty of room. There's a captain companion seat chairs right here, both with bolsters, so you can sit up a little higher if you want to see over the windshield. This boat comes stock with the Simrad Go 5 display. It's a fish finder, depth finder, navigation all in one. Also a fusion head unit, and your bilge and blower switches right here. Courtesy anchor and nav lights right here. There's a locking glove box right here. It is self-draining, so if you wanted to use it for a cooler, you're welcome to do that as well. Storage under this port side helm. Then the bow area has plenty of room up here, so you guys can sit and hang out. Watch the distance as you're cruising around on your nice new boat. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.